Look, the Eco Dress presentation winners as we witness the fusion and sustainability of the candidates of Miss Eco International 2024 showcasing their eco-inspired creations for an unforgettable display of beauty with a purpose. And Miss Eco Venezuela, Valeria Andrea Medina secures her spot in the semifinals in the fast-track competition for the Eco Dress, while Miss Netherlands Kemery de Silva placed first runner-up, and Miss Eco Ukraine Angela Osanova placed second runner-up respectively. And now, let's take a look once again at their amazing Eco Dress performances. Now let's start with the second runner-up, Miss Eco Ukraine Angela Osanova. And the first runner-up, Miss Eco Netherlands, Kemery de Silva.
Miss Eco Netherlands. The Eco look of this gown, made by David Cardenas, inspired by Vincent van Gogh's mesmerizing the starry night. Adorned with eco-friendly plastic cups, it's a testament to artistry and sustainability.
And the winner, Miss Eco Venezuela, Valeria Andrea Medina.
Miss Eco Venezuela. This Eco dress is inspired by the Guarani, Venezuela's national tree. It's made from handmade paper bags and was scratched for juice and newspaper.
Once again, congratulations to the winners of Miss Eco International 2024 for Best in Eco Dress presentation, especially to Miss Venezuela, that secures her spot in the semifinals fast track for winning the Eco Dress. Thanks for watching!